proper access to where you live is something that matters to you, then check out this apartment. If space coupled with elegance is something that you look for in an apartment, then I got something for you. If being surrounded by all amenities is something that you value, then welcome to this brand new 3-bedroom apartment, which is in Kiamunyi, Nakuru, right by the highway. It touches the tarmac, neighboring the hotel Good Part. Of course, I've already mentioned one amenity around here, and many others. Schools, churches, shopping areas, supermarkets. You know, even now in Kiamunyi, we have 4, going to 5 supermarkets, and many other services, and goods that you may want to buy around here. All right, so without further ado, I started this tour on the balcony right there. It is a lounge balcony, and they have got these aluminum windows, sliding, very good. And then inside the lounge, just look at the elegance in here. From the tiles, beautiful, to the brilliant white paint on the walls, to the downlights, to the wall lamps, it is really an elegant space. And even the space itself, again, you can put a dining area on the far there, then the lounge in this area here. It's just beautiful, I'm telling you, And then you've got some amazing views from right here. The apartment has got 2 balconies. There is the lounge balcony and the kitchen balcony. And on either side, you are able to enjoy good views of the surrounding, especially looking at the lush green Kiamunyi. Like I always say, Kiamunyi is like the greenest estate in Nakuru. So if you also love to live at a place where, you can go out and enjoy some greenery, then come to Kiamunyi. So these are 3-bedroom apartments, 8 in total. We're just looking for 8 people, 1 on either side of the staircase, and they are quite spacious. So from the lounge, I step inside the kitchen on this end here. Beautiful kitchen again. They went with the white cabinetry coupled with a black granite tops. Your 6-burner will fit in this space. Your fridge on the opposite here. Looking at the cabinetries, right there is ample storage for your items. Overhead on that side and the bottom level cabinetry. And then you have got ample worktop right here, okay, as you can see. Then a double sink. And, some other faucets which are essential in the kitchen. Then stepping outside, we have got a balcony. Like I told you, we have got 2 balconies, the kitchen balcony. So out here, there is got an extra tap, there. And then, of course, apart from perhaps, doing laundry out here, you can always enjoy this kind of views. The Lake Nakuru on that end, the Mau Hills, on that end, Tungata, to the vast Kiamunyi. It's really beautiful. And standing here, nothing is blocking your view again, so you can always enjoy some fresh air, cool breeze from those green trees. Amazing. Kiamunyi. All right, then standing right here at the center of the home, on this side we have got the guest bedrooms, 2 of them, and then on the other side, we have got the primary bedroom. So the units are master and suite. So these 2 bedrooms here, which by the way are private, thanks to this door. Fred, you can come inside at this point. So if I lock like that, then this side, the residents of this side, they have got their privacy. So out here, they share this toilet and bath facility. Out here, they've got their, wash basin, okay? And a mirror, etc. right there. It's a beautiful space. And then, of course, this space then allows them to want to go this side, and then the other bedroom is on the opposite corner. So all the bedrooms, again, typically are private. Okay, and I look like that. So I'm inside the first guest bedroom, The tile work again extends, the uniformity of the tiles from the lounge everywhere in the house, They did these 60 by 60 tiles, okay? They are quite huge, and they make the space look not crowded, you know, easy, subtle. All right, then white cabinetry, again, hizo hapo, can open for you like this so that you see how, you know, the organization is. Namna hiyo, you see that, beautiful. Then, of course, from this bedroom, they have got again a nice view like that. So if I lock this at night, when you, in the morning rather, you wake up, your headboard is this side, then you're able to enjoy some sunrise to that end. Wonderful space. Then the other bedroom is on the opposite huku. Yep, just walked in. This one has got a highway view. The highway is just down there. Nakuru to Ravine Highway. It's just down there. So gives you the highway view. The bedroom is spacious, can fit 2 4x6 beds. 1 6x6 bed, you know, will leave you with a much more room to even have other items, a study table, a workstation, etc. Easel. They can be also fitted in here. Then the wardrobes, there we have them again. Just allow me to show you so that you see how you can plan yourselves. Ndio kule juu, you can throw some bags huko. You can fold the clothes on this side. Then some dresses and shirts can stay on this far end hopper. Beautiful. Then you don't have to buy bulbs. Okay, the bulbs are fitted in every room. There's a bulb. Maybe I didn't mention the quality shower that they have there. You know, very modern. You know that they have there, the shower head, that is. Then on the, you know, on this other wing, is where we have the primary bedroom. So welcome, Ndani. As I was telling you, you don't need to buy bulbs. Bulbs already, you know, the lightings fitted already, okay? Then this one is a humongous bedroom, okay? For 2. Even the wardrobes there, you have got enough for his and hers. Then if you have a small baby to have in the, you know, to live with in this bedroom, of course, there is much more room to even put their baby cot on the side. So maybe I can just open as well. Uziangalie tu kidogo. But you can call me on 0791 055 I bring you to this very apartment to sample and choose your unit. Okay? Haya, mpaka hapo, the primary bedroom, I told you it is Ensuite, and the Ensuite is right here on the very far end. You know, I like the design here. Very far end. So on one wing, you've got the toilet seat and the wash basin right here, and then the shower area is on the other end like that. At least, you know, it enhances the idea of having a dry toilet. Very good. So there is more to show you, including on the rooftop and including down there on the parking area. They even have an extra garden for kids to play, to ride their bikes, etc. But guys, this is a beautiful apartment. How much is it, everyone? Kenya shillings, 60,000. Okay, come with 60 and yeah. Recently, apartments in Nakuru standards zimeenda juu. And of course, with those standards, even the prices, they're not what the market was used to 2, 4, 5, 3 years ago. So let me take you to the rooftop. Now, this is my favorite part of any apartment, the rooftop, because I love enjoying views. And from the rooftop of this one, you have got a panorama. On that side, I'm seeing all the way to the main Engai. Then, I can see my neighbors, the vast Kiamunyi that end, all the way to Olivine Kule. Olivine Center is where we have many of our supermarkets there, like I told you guys. And then the lake, Nakuru, there it is. And then it's a panorama, in short, 360 degrees. All right, beautiful, beautiful. This is my favorite part of any apartment. Yeah, okay, so if you are an outdoor person, I'm sure you will enjoy this part. Now, a thing with some homes or even apartments that come with a, with a flat roof is the leakage from up here. But upper, what they did? They did a waterproofing layer ambayo iko hapa. When you come here utaiona tu. Siwezi explain vizuri, And if you're not used to construction, of course, hata nikikuambia utaelewa. But this area is waterproofed. Ukistep hapa utaona, it's not the normal terrazzo. There's another layer ambayo waliweka hapa for waterproofing. Kuensure kwamba hizi units hapa juu hazitakuwa na moist. Hiyo ni kuschool tu kidogo. All right, so Fred, let's go to the parking kule, then we'll be out of here. Now down here, there is ample parking. And then on the side, there's a garden for you guys to relax and play. They also planted some flowers, you know, just touching the apartment block itself, just to give it a beauty, aesthetic there. And then there is hanging lines down there as well. So for those who will take the lower units, perhaps if rooftop is far, you can always go to the hanging lines down here. And they have a borehole on site, so water will always be available 24/7. Now, there is something more. If you're looking for a shop, the apartment, ground floor on the front side, there are shops there which have got very good access. You know, remember the apartment is right on the tarmac. So if whatever business you can put there, it's easy for people to walk into your shop. So the shops are going for 30,000 Kenyan shillings, but inside they have not been partitioned, and they left it that way deliberately, that if somebody comes and maybe their business needs a much bigger space, you can take maybe 2 or even 3 shops. But if you take, you know, one shop, as per their standard, is 30,000 Kenya shillings. So you can call the number 0791 055 678, and I'll be glad to hook you up or even to take you for site visit. And you get to book yourself a unit here. Just 8 of them, 8 tenants. And for the shops, about 6 of them, but 3 have been booked. So 3 are available. So mpaka hapo, I will say see you in the next one, folks, and subscribe to this channel for more house tour, house hunting around Nakuru.